I've just been assaulted by the police. A few of us were. They were pushing it into the exit there where there's a van which is set alight. It's a police van. Now I was trying to prevent a lady with a walking stick who was trying to get out the way because she was trying to get away from the burning van, and one of the police just assaulted me. He came right into me with his shields. Luckily I held my feet, but that's a definite assault. Several people were assaulted by them. And we were the peaceful protesters. But the heat which is coming from that van at the moment is unbelievable. As you can see, there's hundreds of protesters who've been beaten back now by the police. Now here you've got more police moving around the side looking to come out. A pincer movement.
These fucking out of the matter. They does look like the fucking books. Now they can play the fucking victims now.
Don't do that anyway. Don't these people labels.
That's what it is now.
They will do it anyway. They will be into the American flag. They did to heights. They paint us, whatever.
That's what it now, but they didn't know what's going on. It's going to be all down to that now.
We asked them to let us go past the line of shields there because we were scared of the fire and the van exploding. And then I got battered by one with a shield.
One just swatted me with a shield. Just down
there you go. Now that's what we were afraid of, an explosion. Now I'm not excusing the behaviour of people who set that van alight. They shouldn't have done it, they took it a bit too far. But at the same hand, people are being pushed to this. This is what it's like in this country. Even if you're a peaceful protester, you end up pushed to the floor by some officer with a riot shield who came hurtling at me. Only through adrenaline. I'm not sure how badly injured I am right now.
Put your shields on, you shit houses.